Water. We all need water. Clean water helps us to remain alive. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water. Plants and animals also need water. Uses of water. We need water for various purposes. Water is needed for bathing, washing, cooking, cleaning, sailing, etc. Clean water. We should drink clean water. Dirty water contains germs, which cause diseases. Clean water keeps us healthy. 2 main ways of getting clean water are boiling of water, use of water filters. Surface water. Water present on the surface is found in the ponds, lakes, rivers, and sea. We get water in our homes from taps, hand pump, wells, etc.